Department of Media Studies has a very modest beginning and notable history in the University of Jaffna. In the very early stage, it was introduced at the Faculty of Arts as a part of literature studies to promote the creative writing of the students. The Extramural Studies unit of the university conducted a certificate course in journalism, which was one of the pioneering courses for media education. This course helped to educate not only students of the University of Jaffna, but also different categories of media personnel. In the early 2000s, the University of Jaffna established a Media Resources and Training Center, a project supported by UNESCO with the aim of providing professional media practices in the Tamil media landscape. The Media Resources and Training Center was acted as a platform for the formation of professional journalists in Tamil medium through training in the field. In 2007, at the Faculty of Arts, the Media Studies curriculum was drafted with an emphasis on practical skills as well as the theories of communication with the collaboration of the University of Linnaeus, Sweden. This was recommended as a subject of an arts degree by the faculty board and by the Senate and eventually approved by the Council of the University of Jaffna. Later, on 10th October 2013, the University Grants Commission approved this Bachelor of Arts in Media Studies program. In 2016, the curriculum of Media Studies was revisited in order to maintain the aspects of the Sri Lanka Quality Framework and modified as per the outcome-based education and students-centered learning. The University Grants Commission on 18th October 2018, having considered the recommendations of the Management and Standing Committee of the Humanities and Social Sciences of the UGC and approved the establishment of the Department of Media Studies at Faculty of Arts, University of Jaffna. The Department of Media Studies as 18th department was established under the Faculty of Arts, University of Jaffna by the extraordinary Gazette notification on 27th March 2019. The Bachelor of Arts degree in Media Studies offered by the Faculty of Arts, University of Jaffna is a pioneering effort and a response to the need of the time by offering theories and academic analysis of the mass media and providing practical proficiency in print, electronic and new media for the students expects to enter into media and relevant world. The program provides great strength and facilities to create of media studies graduates with the professional skills, knowledge and principles to find employment as journalists, press officers, information officers, advertisers, documentary and feature filmmakers, media planners, media consultants and public relations officers and promoters at the regional and national level. It also affords the graduates with great potentials to be self-employed as small-scale entrepreneurs considering the vast horizons of media and as teachers of media studies in schools and universities. The long-standing civil conflict and the unsettled conditions in the northern province affected the media environment severely and created impacts on the quality of professional journalism and its ethical norms. The Media Studies degree program would eliminate the above gap and provide more opportunities to the youngsters to enter the field with appropriate educational backgrounds. The Department of Media Studies consists the basic facilities to provide the appropriate training to the students. The television studio with visual and audio recording facilities, editing suite with Final Cut Pro professional software, mini discussion hall, and lecture halls equipped with multimedia projectors and televisions for screening purposes are maintained to cater better services to the students. In addition to the available facilities, the Department of Media Studies aims to establish integrated newsroom, a novel idea, to have a convergence center to acquire the practical journalism in print, electronic and new media platforms through the Memorandum of Agreement signed with Helvetas Intercorporation. The department explores all the avenues to enhance the knowledge and skills of the students by the exposure, even beyond the lecture theatres, by providing opportunities to conduct and take part in seminars, workshops, sharing sessions, fieldwork, visits, trips, exhibitions, film festivals, making documentaries and publishing magazines. Media Studies always proudly extends its services to the other departments, faculties, and the university in teaching, training, and electronic documentation of the events, celebrations, conferences, and research forums. The students make use of these opportunities not only as of the service department but also to earn professional training in their own home. The internship training is very significant to provide the opportunities to the students to undergo the work-life situation in the media field, to equip the students to face the professional media world with required skills and the knowledge in career life. Department of Media Studies holds its strong connections with the state television Rupavahini, state radio Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, Independent Television Network, Maharaja Television and Broadcasting Network, International Broadcasting Corporation IBC Tamil, and Udayan Publications to send the students for media internship at their final year. Department of Media Studies is actively involved in conducting and collaborating seminars and workshops for the school students in Northern Province every year. In order to prepare the students to face the national examination, Media Studies Department took part in the seminars organized by the Provincial Department with the collaboration of zonal education officers. The media students proved their talents at regional, national levels, and some of them reached the international standard as well. The students participated in a variety of photo competitions in the recent past, even during the pandemic period, and gathered national level placements with the appreciation of the professionals. A notable number of alumni of media studies placed themselves in the professional media field immediately after graduation, and some of them pursued their higher studies in postgraduate studies at University of Jaffna and other national universities. The department encourages the students to form networks with pass-out graduates and motivates them to independently work as freelancers even during the study period. Media Alumni Association is recently formed and the process of registration is awaiting. Considering the excellence of the stakeholders of this degree program and to increase their employability, Media Studies is continuously in consultation with the professionals in media industries, editors of dailies from Colombo and Jaffna, channel heads of television services, advertising agencies, filmmakers, and senior academics in media and communication are consulted during the development of the curriculum and pedagogical processes. Further, various interested parties such as government media channels, government institutions, and other state universities are looking forward to collaborating with the Department of Media Studies to extend their media-related activities in the Northern Province.